RDLs. You're going to do an alternating grip. You're going to grab the bar about this far apart. Go back, and then during this exercise, you're going to want to keep a strong back and bend at the hip while trying to keep your legs straight. Go below the knee, but don't go too far down. Just go to where it burns. And come back up. Keeping your chest strong. Don't roll your back. For the leg press machine, this machine is working your legs. So you're going to sit down in this chair, back flat against the chair, and take your feet. It's kind of personal preference on where you want to put them against the platform. I usually put them about the middle of the platform. Then you're going to want to push up, then pull these in so it unlocks the machine. Come down, push back up, then turn the machine, push these back out, lower the machine back down. That locks the machine, you're safe to go. Alright, for our calf workout, we're going to do calf raises. And we're just going to put the bar on our back like you're about to do a squat. And raise up. And then all you're doing in this exercise is just going off your heels onto your toes, working the calves. And once you're done, just re-rack the weight. Okay, for deadlift, we're going to do a hex bar deadlift. And so for hex bar deadlift, we're going to go feet about shoulder width apart. And during this exercise, it's very important that you do all the work with your legs and not with your back and shoulders. It's easy to round your back off while doing deadlift, but we want to keep your chest up and try to really not lift with your back. So we're going to bend down with the legs, keep the chest facing whatever direction you're facing. You're going to get the grip, your fingers, and do all the work with your legs to lift up and down, keeping your chest up the whole time. For this exercise, we'll be doing dumbbell bench press, which is a chest exercise. And during this exercise, you will lay flat on the bench with your feet flat on the floor. And you're simply just taking the weight from around your chest area, pushing it straight up. For this exercise, this is a scapular exercise called Y, T's, and C's. You're going to use an incline bench. And the first one we're going to do is a Y. You're just going to make a shape like a Y. And all three exercises are very important to pinch your scaps together. It's not about moving your arms, it's about pinching your scaps in the back. So first what we're going to do is a Y. You're going to lay face down on the incline bench. Make the Y shape. Really pinch your scaps together. And so the next one we're going to do is a T. Straight out, pinch the scaps again, face down, T, pinch the scaps. And the last one we're going to do is a C. Straight back, pinch the scaps together. That's it for YTC. This exercise is a shoulder stability exercise with the cable machine. Usually you're going to have a handle to hold on to, but the gym we're at does not have one, so we're going to make the best of the situation. So with this, you're going to set the cable machine at about shoulder height, roughly shoulder height. You're going to bend the arm about 90 degrees, and you're going to rotate with the shoulder at the elbow, like that. Really trying to stabilize your shoulder. You can do that for both sides. You can also do this in a couple different ways. You can be straight open. You can go like this. Do that as well. You can also be about 45 degrees and do it as well. For this bicep exercise, we're going to do bicep curls. And during bicep curls, it's very critical that you do not swing your body. When you do it, you want to remain still and bend with the elbow. And make sure you do not swing because it will not fully exercise your bicep, just gonna go right here and lift up, working your bicep. For this tricep exercise, we're gonna do skull crushers. I prefer to do it with the bar, and all you're gonna do is take the weight overhead like this and kind of curl your tricep like you're doing a bicep curl, and extend back up, bending at the elbow, extending back up. Okay, for this exercise, for our ab exercise, we're gonna do a plank with the weight. So when doing a plank, it is important that you try to keep your body in as straight of a line as possible. You don't want to have your butt in the air. You don't want to have your butt too low. You don't want to have curved back. And it's also crucial that you keep this body position with the weight on, because if you fail your body position, it's kind of pointless anyway. So I will demonstrate the plank position, and then I'll have my assistant over here put the weight on my back for me and demonstrate that for you. So plank, you're gonna be on your elbows and forearms. Oh, too close to the window. So you're just gonna be like this right here. Take your body straight as possible. I'll kind of do it sideways to show you. You wanna keep your body as flat as possible. So now I'm gonna have the weight get put on my back. All right. So you're gonna place the weight right there on your back area. And trying to keep that good body position. Oh, you're good. All right, for the lower back exercise, we're gonna do a machine with the weight, a hyperextension machine with a plate. It's very critical that while in the gym, keep your mask on so you don't get COVID. And so right here, we're gonna place our feet heels against the back of this pad right here, your quads on this pad. And so we're gonna take the plate, hold it across your chest. You're gonna go down as low as you can, but when you come back up, try to keep a flat body position instead of coming too far up. So we're gonna go down, come back up flat, down, come back up flat.